Yes, Your Honor. I want to cross-examination the man, the defendant.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay, I put it to you.
And then that is not a fight. You don't have to be that, vigorous and antagonistic. Yeah.
So I'll do it like this. This one is good.
Carry on with your questions, please.
Okay. Then, I put it to you.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, what is going on here? Is this a just court?
Can you ask your questions without any dance?
Okay. Look at me. I put it to you that you this man, you know my client, True or false?
Yes, I know him.
Yes.
True or false? Yes, you know him. How is true or false?
True or false?
True, I know him.
Good.
I put it to you that your school takes some people money and leave them to sit there. And the people who can pay, like my client, you sack him. True or false?
Your Honor, I bet to
Don't bet anything. Your Honor, the man wants to gamble the court. They say, I bet. They want to bet you. Eddie and I bet. It's a crime.
Please answer his question directly, please.
never.
Good. Simple, and we'll move on. Yes.
He said never. Your Honor, let me quote my friend, Justin Bieber. He said, never say never.
Objection, Your Honor. What is the point? What is the point to this cross-examination?
Are you done with your questions, please? We have to move on.
The man said never say never. He said never. I point to that somebody saying that thing that never say never. So teach him a lesson from me.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Your Honor, if I may.
You.
Don't make, please.
He can. Let him may.
Can.
Please. Okay. So let me ask you. When you got your admission forms, did you see all these points, all the terms and conditions on it?
Yes, Your Honor, I saw them.
Okay.
Did you read them?
Yes, I read them.
And did you append your signature, which suggests that you have agreed to the terms and conditions?
Oh, yes, I appended my signature.
And you also wrote an acceptance letter?
Yes, I wrote an acceptance letter.
Your Honor, this goes to show that he accepted the terms and conditions of the university. So it means that he has agreed. So the university has every right to take him out at any point in time. Now, let me ask you, when did you do this, when did you fake your documents?
That is what the university is saying, but I don't think my results is fake.
They are not fake. So that means they are genuine results.
Of course it has my name
Okay,
on
so
it.
what is your name?
My name is Sly Kwame Apia.
And is that your birth-given name?
Objection, Your Honor. The man asked my client, what's your name? And my client mentioned his name. The man I asked him birthday thing.
Well, Your Honor, I am doing this because obviously my learned colleague here made it clear to the court that they impersonated someone else. Did you not?
No, I did not.
But you said they claim it was fake results, but you are saying it's not fake because the results are original.
Yeah, that's what my client will say.
Just that is for someone else. That's what you said in your opening. Yes.
Your Honor, please tell the man to cancel that thing. Because that thing is for only my mind, not for talk.
Okay, so I think it's your point made.
Your Honor, so my point has been made, and I shall like to put this as Exhibit A, a copy of his admission letter which he has appended his signature to.
Please.
Your Honor, I just want to give you exhibit B. The man give you A, I give you B. Something that my client have signed.
And this means what?
Nothing, it's just a paper.
Dean, let me speak to you. How many of such students have you found in your school?
Your Honor, we have discovered about 100 of them.
100.
Yes,
When
sir.
did this investigation start, and how did you come by the names?
Your Honor, this is something that we normally do whenever students apply.
How many have you dismissed so far?
Your Honor, as of now, you have dismissed about 53 of them.
53.
Yes,
Out of the 100.
out of the 100.
Why? Why haven't you dismissed the rest?
Your Honor, we are still investigating and finding out how
I thought you
they-
said you have found, which makes it conclusive that you have found these people like him.
Your Honor, we have to do due diligence so that we don't unduly punish any student for
Even
anything.
after investigating and finding out, you decide to do due diligence on 40-something of them and fire 50-something of them.
Yes, Your Honor. It's like policeman catch you. And he said that the CID do all the investigation, you take you to court. And the court said that go to jail. That time the CID people say that we are going to do another investigation. Why? I killed somebody already.
Your Honor,
So, is it that what his accusation has some merits? That some have given some...
Money diligent.
Well, Your Honor, that is not true. What my client here is saying is that, you know that they have to go through, it's a process, and you have to go through it thoroughly.
I agree.
Yes,
And
so 53 of them it has been done, and it's now conclusive.
Now the thorough investigation is not on the whole 100, but it's on the 53.
No, it's actually on the whole 100.
Now, you are saying they've done due diligence on 100,
Yes.
but they've served 53. And my question is why they haven't served the rest? And you are saying
they are still going through, Your Honor.
going through...
Because,
going
Your
through
Honor,
what?
sometimes...
Yes, Your Honor. It's like when Jesus blink this thing, 5 fish, and make the fish plenty this thing. And he give some people to go and stand here. He give them food, they are eating. That I put to, he said that you people, I want to check if you are hungry before I give it. That's what the
Your
man
Honor, that is not the case. Your Honor,
That's the case.
Let me give you an instance. There are cases where, Your Honor, some students would bring in fake results or impersonate people.
Yeah.
These are straightforward. But there are other ones where maybe by some little mistake, they qualified with, say, a grade that shouldn't have qualified them. Your Honor, in this case, they have to go through it because they'll give you the option of probably staying through and then paying as a fee-paying student.
How?
Your Honor, it is done. That is according to the rules.
So then how do they admit if indeed you
That
were
is the
not
mistake
qualified?
of the university, not the mistake of the student.
But what you are saying is that after the university have made a mistake, they call the people to come and fee pay, or sit there.
Well, yes, Your Honor, because you have been admitted.
So-
and you are given the option.
Who made the mistake?
Well, Your Honor, you applied. You applied, and obviously you knew that you did not qualify, but you still applied.
So who accepted?
The university.
So who made you?
So
who
if
have made mistake?
wow, now your point, if indeed you are saying that you are admitting in court that the school acknowledged that they made a mistake and for that reason they decided to hold on and give the students option
Yes.
of either paying or staying.
Yes.
That point is made. You admit that.
Yes, Your Honor, that is true.
In that same context, they made a mistake by admitting him,
Your Honor, that is why, but this is a fraudulent act.
but theirs were not.
It's not a fraudulent act.
Okay.
But Your Honor, when you ask the man, how many of such cases have you get? The man say 100.
100.
You don't
Your
say,
Honor,
You didn't differentiate.
well, that is why we are doing that now. So that,
Differentiating in my court?
Your Honor, we are just trying to elaborate that there are different cases, but all these are regarded as, not correct results.
Your Honor,
That is why we are putting it across that way.
No. What you said was the results were correct, but the school made a mistake and admitted them, even though they did not qualify for the
Yeah.
courses they applied
Yes, Your
for.
Honor.
right?
Yes.
So they have made no mistake.
Yes.
Well, they have not made
So
any
they
mistake,
couldn't
yes.
have possibly come on the list of the 100.
Yes, Your Honor, they will.
But-
because they do not qualify to be in the school.
Young
Your
man,
Honor,
Counsel,
that's
you're not-
my thing that you
Counsel-
are drunk.
Counsel,
I mean,
mind your language.
please, I'm just telling you what the mind think.
Mind your language.
Hey, mind what you are thinking.
Now, it's very clear.
Well, Your Honor, let me just
What-
make this
what-
other point
no,
too.
wait.
It is also
no.
stated in the terms and conditions that university has the right to withdraw you at any point when we are unsatisfactory, when you have unsatisfactory work, misconduct, or when at such any time you have your entry requirement is deficient.
Okay.
Yes, you
right.
can be withdrawn at any time.
no
So
problem.
those are clauses that all the students agree to.
No problem. No problem.
You force the student
it's
to
okay.
agree
It's
to
okay.
the
Thank
thing.
you. Thank you.
If you have put that in there, if the mind don't sign,
He
they
can't be
are not get
admitted.
admission.
So
Yeah.
it's more or less.
You select the people.
Yeah. All right. Now it's very clear. Now, what you've done gives room for suspicion. One, why does it take the school, a whole university, 3 solid years to investigate a matter like this? Results. But for your point, even though I am tempted, I do not like what the university has done, if you had further proof that the university knew that he had this result and was still staying in the school, they were condoning this up to this point, then I have reason to punish the university. However, as a university, we are in a technological age of information and technology. IT is what you teach. So I don't know why it has to take you so long. Maybe he is a bad student and deceived his parents as well. But it is unfair for you to allow this to go on, for parents to throw money away, and eventually you say you've dismissed him. More so when others are sitting and you give them the option to come and pay and stay in the school. This is not right. You must do things right. You are the bridge between education and what we apply in the world. So if you are failing us, then we can imagine the people and the human resource we are churning out.
That's why I don't go to the universities. Because I don't know what they are doing.
Okay. All right, so this case is dismissed. You don't have a case, but as a university, you really have to set up. Now, I would ask you, within the next 4 months, that's 1 semester, a period of 1 semester, to bring and come and show my court a system you put in place to take out all the people, fraudulent people or fraudulent students who apply to your school as early as possible. Put in place a system and come and show it to me. If not, your university will have to be paying some money to my court for us to use for community service. Do this so that you stop wasting parents' time, so that people like this can be fished out early and parents can save their money. This court is adjourned.